Hi, and welcome to Tough Top Awnings. Today, we will be installing a Carefree of Colorado slide-out cover. Let's get started. Here's an example of an awning having tears, and the threads are about to fail. For this installation, you will need a drill with your appropriate attachments for your hardware, a straight pick, some dry silicone, and a couple sturdy ladders. Get started, unroll the extra fabric wrapped on the roller tube against the spring tension. Then using a straight pick, secure the roller tube by aligning the hole on the outside of the tube to the internal spring. Then remove the set screws that secure the material to the coach on both sides. On one side of the slide topper, remove the screw into the roller tube only. On the other side, you remove both screws to remove the end cap entirely. Now just lay the entire roller tube on the top of the slide out. Remove the screws that secure the material to the roller tube. These are not necessarily to reinstall the new material. These screws are only for shipping the product before they are installed onto coaches. Now you can pull off that old material and discard it. This is optional as the spring tension felt weak, so we placed a pair of vice grips onto the piece that comes out of the roller tube. With a little help guiding the straight pick, we removed it and added a few rotations against the spring tension to help it function better down the road. Now use that dry silicone to lubricate the roller tube for the new material. And don't forget to do the same thing on the coach side channel. Now it's time to install our new Tough Tops material. Now with the new material in place, let's put the roller tube back into its location. And reinstall the end cap. Be sure to secure it with the bottom screw first. Now secure the tube with the top screw. Don't forget the one on the other side. Now remove the straight pick that has been holding your spring tension. Reinstall your set screws and you're done. You have earned a cool beverage for all your hard work. Thanks for watching. If you're new to Tough Tops or just want to learn more about our product line, visit us at www.toughtopawnings.com and follow us on all the social networks. Thanks again and happy RVing.